ready. We have a great event for you guys right now. Without further ado, let's start off with our first contestant. This outfit is race gear. Make some noise for Angel. Yes, she's from a small town in Wisconsin. Her childhood nickname is Trouble, and her favorite thing about Florida is riding her bike all year long. Yes. Y'all, round of applause for the beautiful Angel, y'all. Yes. Hometown, Wisconsin. Appreciate you, Angel. You're looking lovely. Coming up next, we got contestant number 2. Make some noise for Miss Pauline, y'all. Round of applause, round of applause. Hometown is right here in West Palm Beach. Her childhood nickname is Domino, and her favorite thing about Florida is her free diving, fishing, and laying out in the sun. That is contestant number 2, y'all. Once again, a round of applause for Pauline, y'all. Yes. Y'all gotta take out your phone, take some pictures, get some video. There you go. Thank you, Pauline. Appreciate it. Up next, contestant number 3, we have Nicole. Round of applause for Nicole. Her childhood nickname is Puma. And if you ever think about Florida, it's the ocean, sun, and the palm. Y'all, round of applause for Nicole. Y'all make some noise for Nicole. Appreciate you. All right, up next, contestant number 4. Round of applause for Brandy, y'all. Make some noise. She's from Riverside, California. Her childhood nickname is Brandy, and her favorite thing about Florida is the warm weather, fun living, and going to Daytona Beach on bike week, y'all. Round of applause for contestant number 4, Brandy. Up next, contestant number 5, round of applause for Kaylee. She's from Palm Bay, Florida. Round of applause, round of applause. Her childhood nickname is KK, and her favorite thing about Florida are the bikes, beaches, and bad decisions. All right, we got a bagger in the building. Once again, a round of applause for contestant number 5, Kaylee, y'all. Yes. Thank you, love. Up next, contestant number 6, Ashley, y'all. She's from Long Island. Her childhood nickname is Grace. Favorite thing about Florida is the warm weather and the palm trees, y'all. That's contestant number 6. Round of applause. favorite thing about Florida is the beaches, y'all. That is contestant number 11, Sage. A round of applause, a round of applause. Last but not least, contestant number 13, Cassidy, y'all. Round of applause for Cassidy. She's from Fort Myers, Florida. Her nickname is Cassidy. Favorite thing about Florida is seeing dolphins, alligators, and beautiful wildlife every day. She's from Fort Myers. She's contestant 13. A round of applause for Cassidy, y'all. Yes. We're not done, ladies. Can you make towards the runway real quick? Let's go. Y'all make some noise, y'all. Round of applause, round of applause for contestants. Contestant number 1, Angel, y'all. Contestant number 2, Pauline. Contestant number 3, Nicole. Contestant number 4, Brandy. Contestant number 5, Kaylee. Contestant number 6, Ashley. Contestant number 7, Danielle. Number 8, Cameron. Number 9, Alex. Number 10, Melanie. Number 11, Sage. And number 13, Ashley, y'all. Give them a round of applause. That is our racing gear. Get ready to have two more mileage. So get ready for that. Hey, thank y'all very much. You guys can make your way down. Thank y'all. We'll see y'all in about 10-15 minutes, brothers. Family and friends, don't go nowhere. We got a lot more going on right here at Pony AC. Thank y'all, ladies. Y'all looking lovely. I see y'all. Yeah. All right, it's about that time for round 2 right here. Lace and leather, red edition, y'all. Number 1 coming up. Contestant number 1, Angel. Round of applause for Angel. She is passionate about her chopper, her metal work hard, and making movies. Her favorite Harley is a custom 1200 Harley Sports. Her dream car is a classic square fun truck with a bench seat. Contestant number 1, that is Angel. Round of applause. Round of applause for Angel. Thank you, Angel. Up next, contestant number 2, Pauline. Round of applause for Pauline. She's passionate about God, family, and friends. Her favorite Harley is a Pan American. Her dream car is a classic Mustang. Contestant number 2 is Pauline. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause. Thank you, contestant number 2. Up next, contestant number 3. A round of applause for Nicole. Yes. She's passionate about singing, DJing, and modeling. Her favorite Harley is a V-Rock. Her dream car is a Mercedes S convertible. Contestant number 3 is Nicole. A round of applause for Nicole. Yes. All right, thank you, Nicole. Up next, contestant number 4, Brandy. Round of applause for Brandy. She's passionate about wrestling, being kind and saving animals, and family. Her favorite Harley is a Sawtail, and her dream car is an El Camino, or a lifted hearse painted in pink, y'all. Contestant number 4, a round of applause for Brandy. Yes. Up next, contestant number 5, y'all, round of applause for Kaylee, y'all. Yes. She's passionate about her kids staying active and traveling. Her favorite Harley is a Lowrider S. Her dream car is a pink Range Rover. That's contestant number 5, Kaylee. Round of applause. Pink is very popular with y'all. contestant number 6, a round of applause for Ashley. She's passionate about singing, animals, and motorcycles. Her favorite Harley is the Street Bob. Her dream car is a G-Wagon. Contestant number 6, a round of applause for Ashley. Thank you, Ashley. Awesome job, awesome job. Up next, contestant number 7, your round of applause for Danielle. She's passionate about working out, riding a motorcycle with friends, turn into family. Her favorite Harley is a Road King or Road Glide, but open to being convinced otherwise. Her dream car is a Mustang. Round of applause for Danielle. Contestant number 7, yes. Up next, contestant number 8, Cameron. Round of applause for Cameron, y'all. She's passionate about reading art, rock climbing, because it challenges her mind and creativity and her strength. Her favorite Harley is a Sportster. Her dream car is a blacked out Corvette because it's sleek and powerful. That's contestant number 8. A round of applause for Cameron. Yes. Thank you, Cameron. Up next, contestant number 9, Alex. Y'all, round of applause. She's all about fitness, traveling, and her 2 wiener dogs. Her favorite Harley is a souped-up, stretched-out chopper. Her dream car is her pink Jeep Wrangler. That's contestant number 9, Alex. Y'all, round of applause, round of applause. Thank you, love, thank you. Up next, contestant number 10, Melody, y'all. Round of applause, like applause for Melody. Let's go! Running and mental health. Her favorite Harley is a Nicer. Her dream car is a 1965 Chevy Impala. That's contestant number 10, Melody, y'all. Round of applause, round of applause. Chevy girl. Great job, great job. Up next, contestant number 11. Round of applause for Sage. She's all about aviation, her faith, and working out. Her favorite Harley is the same as Captain America, 1942 Liberty. Her dream car is a Jeep Wrangler, so she can spend all day at the beach and drive anywhere into the mountains. Round of applause for Sage, contestant number 11. Yes. Thank you. Last but not least, contestant number 13, Cassidy, y'all. She's passionate about fitness, fashion, inspiring confidence in others. Her favorite Harley is a Softail, and her dream car is a 2026 McLaren 750S Spider. She ain't playing with that. That's contestant number 13, Cassidy. A round of applause. Yes. Great job, ladies. Great job. All right, one time. Go ahead, ladies. Walk the runway. Show them what you're working with. Come on, fellas. Come on, ladies. A round of applause. A round of applause. So beautiful. Once again, a round of applause. Fellas, a round of applause. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you all. Y'all are all lovely. Just start making your way down. Last but not least, we've got the bikini competition up next in about 15 minutes. Don't go nowhere. Enjoy yourselves. Thank y'all, ladies. Y'all are beautiful. All of you. All of you. Thank you. Once again, 15 minutes. Welcome back. All of y'all looking lovely. So beautiful. All right. Once again, we ask that everyone, there's one rule here, and that one rule is stand outside of the stage area, please. All right. Round 3 in the bikini contest. Contestant number 1, a round of applause for Angel. Yeah. What does Harley Davidson represent for you? Hometown spirit, American dreams. Ford Tracker Harley in Wisconsin was her first flying job, a large career in small town goods to the city world. One thing people really don't know about her, she cooks, and she's really good at it. HD because she never had the one time. That's contestant number 1, Angel. A round of applause for Angel, guys. Yes. Love your tattoos, beautiful. I love her. All right, contestant number 2, round of applause for Pauline, y'all. What does Holly Davidson represent for her? Is freedom. One thing people don't really know about her is that she's a certified dancer and instructor and changes kids' lives every day. She said she wants to compete for Miss Palm Beach HD because she loves Harley and what it stands for. That is contestant number 2, Pauline, y'all. Round of applause for Pauline. Yes. What? Thank you, Pauline. All right, up next, contestant number 3. A round of applause for Nicole. What does Holly represent for her? Freedom. Big biker fan. One thing she really don't know about her, she doesn't like to talk on the phone, so text her. She says she wants to compete for Miss Palm Beach HD because it makes her stronger and happy. Once again, that is contestant number 3, Nicole. Round of applause for Nicole. Thank you, love. Thank you. Up next, a round of applause to contestant number 4, Brandy. What does Harley Davidson represent for her? Freedom to be yourself and to meet cool people along the way. One thing people don't really know about her is that she's not only a great cook, but she loves doing it. She said it's a form of her love language. You know, like if you cook for you. So she says she wants to compete for Miss Palm Beach HD because her best friend Angel told her to do so. So one time for Angel for making her do it. That's contestant number 4, Brandy, y'all. Round of applause for Brandy. Righty, contestant number 5, Kaylee, y'all. Make some noise, make some noise. What does Holly Davidson represent for her? Freedom, community, and badass energy. One thing people don't really know about her is that she is a mom too. That she wanted to compete with Miss Palm Beach HD because she competed here before and she loved the experience and she wanted to come back to challenge her again to see how far she's grown. Once again, a round of applause for contestant number 5, Kaylee. Yes. Yes, round of applause. Thank you. Thank you. Up next, contestant number 6, Ashley, y'all. Round of applause for Ashley. What's the hardest for her? Freedom. As someone who used to be in the culture around a lot of bikes, love of Harley, enjoy the wind of the bike, everything that goes along with it. She said that she wanted to compete for Miss Palm Beach because she loves Harley Davidson, and Hannah reached out to her after she would do it. So yes, make some noise for contestant number 6, Ashley, y'all. Yes. Great job, love. Great job. Contestant number 7, Danielle, y'all make some noise. What does Harley represent for her? Freedom and rebellion. One thing you don't really know about her is that she was a cop for 5 years, so don't mess with her. Alright? Said she wanted to compete for Miss Palm Beach because she wanted a chance to represent women who live athletically, ride hard, and don't fit into one box because that's what the brand is really about, y'all. Make some noise for Danielle, contestant number 7. Round of applause for contestant number 8, Cameron, y'all. Yes. What does Harley Davidson represent for her? Freedom. So that's more than freedom and riding. One thing people don't really know about her is that she was competitive swimming growing up with. She learned discipline and perseverance. She said she wanted to compete for Miss Palm Beach because she decided to compete for Miss Harley Davidson this year because she loves the freedom, adventure, and community Harley represents, y'all. Make some noise for contestant number 8, Cameron, y'all. Great job, love. Great job. All right, up next, contestant number 9, Alex, y'all. Round of applause. What does Holly represent for her? Community, celebrating freedom, good times together, and open roads. One thing people don't really know about her is that she is a real Floridian native. That's big. She said she wanted to compete for Miss Palm Beach because she loves Harley, loves girlhood, loves challenges herself, and we love to take home the crown, y'all. That is contestant number 9, Alex, y'all. Round of applause. She's proud here. Contestant number 10, Melanie, y'all. Round of applause, round of applause. What does Holly represent for her?
Let's go!
Anyone can be an awesome rider. One thing people don't really know about her is that she was born with a flip lip and palate. She said she wanted to be for Miss Palm Beach JC because she actually got asked by hand, so it was super cool for her to try it the first time. So big ups to her. Up next, contestant number 11, Sage. Y'all, round of applause, round of applause. What does Holly represent for her? It represents unity. Regardless of different professional or personal views, it represents one community with one love and pride. One thing people don't really know about her is that she is a pilot. Fly me anywhere. She said she wanted to be from Miss Palm Beach because she loves the atmosphere and she loves meeting new people. The stage is great. The backstage is where the real magic happens. One time for contestant number 11, Sage. Yes. Last but not least, contestant number 13, Cassidy, y'all. Make some noise. What does her name represent for her? It's freedom and legacy. One thing people don't really know about her is that she can dance the salsa and the bachata. Alright? That's what I'm talking about. She got a little flavor on that. She said she wanted to compete for Miss Palm Beach JC because she decided to compete and she watched her sister competing and inspired her to pursue it herself and her love for Harley Davidson. So make some noise for Cassidy and number 13. Yes. Alright. We're not done. Ladies, all you ladies, back on the stage. Let's go, let's go. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for these beautiful young ladies doing an awesome job.
Let's go, Angel.
It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Let me tell you.